This is a super basic curling iron tutorial. So make sure your hair is brushed out really well and then section it off. So take about a 1/2 inch section of hair and you'll place the hair between the clip of the curling iron and the barrel, and then you'll wrap it up to the top of your head slowly, and I just let the clip go just a little bit to let some hair out and then to kind of slowly bring it back up. And I like to leave the ends out. And I leave the hair in the curling iron for about 8 to 10 seconds. And then when I let it out, I kind of recoil it with my hands and hold it there for a second. So after you're done with the bottom section, you'll take down the next section and, oh my, what? Whew. And then you'll continue curling the next section. So clip that hair in, slowly bring it all the way up and hold it for a few seconds, and then hold it in your hands while it cools off. And we're curling away from the face, but every 4th or 5th curl, I will curl the opposite way, so towards my face, just to break it up a little bit. If you have long and thick hair like me, you'll see how I'm sectioning it is I started with the full bottom of my hair, and then for the middle section, I did it in 2 parts. So I took the left side down first, and then now I'm doing my right side. And then the last section I'll do is just the very top of my hair. At this point, I'm exhausted and I need a drink. And here I wanted to make a point of showing you that I really go through the hair with my hands before I put it in my curling iron to make sure it's really smoothed out and I have organized sections. Okay, praise the heavens, we've made it to the last section. So I brush it out really well from the top because we're not ready to brush those curls out yet. And then I get my part, which is a little wonky because I've got a crazy widow's peak. And then this is the most important part. It can be hard to take your time with this section because you're so exhausted at this point, but this is the most important section. So take your time, make sure the hair is really brushed out, really smooth, your sections are organized. And just a friendly reminder that I am not a professional. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, but this is what I've been doing for a long time, and this is what works for me. It gets my hair curled and I look decent. So this is what I do. And I know that I'm not doing it 100% right because you'll notice that on this side of my head, I'm holding the barrel facing down, but on the other side of my head, when I curl that side, I'm holding the barrel facing up. It's just what I do because it's what's comfortable and it's what's natural and it works for me. So that's what I just wanted to show you guys is you really have to just find what's comfortable for you, what works for you. Take your time and do whatever you need to do to get that hair tamed, girl. And for my long bangs in the front, I usually hold it for less time because I don't want those to be super tight. We are done. So wait for your hair to completely cool, and then you can run your fingers through it or run a brush through it. And that's it. That's how I curl my hair with a curling iron.